We shooting mortars?
Direction!
What?
Come in. You see where they're at? Damn it, I gotta clean his fucking weapon now. I gotta clean your fucking weapon now. That's what I'm saying, dude.
Northwest of compound 24, it sounds like.
Northwest of 24?
We shooting mortars? God damn, dude, that's fucking close. Huh? God damn. Huh, 7:30.
Hold on.
What?
Kind of see what we're doing.
Hey, with me? Huh? We got like a little hole right there.
Yeah?
I'm about to go out there.
I just want to drop this motherfucker. Dead gummit, man.
Hey, Hicks!
About to go out there and...
How far out?
About 400 meters out.
Yo, hey.
What the fuck? Hey, we got mortars here.
The one that runs north-south, right?
Yeah.
Hatch, come in. Hatch.
What's up?
Can you see where they're at?
Not anymore. Hey, can you call the mortar line there if you want that?
Yo, hey. No, do you know the direction that they're at?
It's northwest about